Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's try to solve a Python program. Write a Python program to find the frequency of each digit in a given integer. So given an input integer, so you have to find the frequency of each digit in that particular integer. So let's try to solve this. So let's take a variable number and let's ask a user to enter a number. So let me use input function and here let's ask enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so let's convert it into an integer format from the string. So yeah, so once we get the number, so let's take a variable, another variable, that is temp equals to, and copy the contents of number to temp. So both number and temp will contain the same value. So now in order to get each and every digit, so we have to use a while loop in order to get the last digit and also trim the number. So let's use a list, that is my underscore list, a variable, and let's assign an empty list to it. So we have to fill this my list with the each and every digit of the given integer. So for that, let's use a while loop. While temp, that is a copy of the number, is not equals to 0. So what you have to do is just use my underscore list dot append the digit, that is in order to get the digit. So let's use a temp and modulate it by 10. So this will give us the last digit. And yeah, so we have to reduce the temp value, that is temp equals to, let's trim out the last digit using a true division by 10. So this will give us the, once the while loop completes, so each and every digit will be stored in my underscore list. So once we get the my list, so let's take another, that is a dictionary frequency equals to an empty dictionary. So we have to check, that is traverse all the, that is my list items in the my list, and check if the item is present in dictionary, else you have to increment it. So let's use for item in my underscore list. So I am traversing all the items present in list. Check if item is in the dictionary. So if the item is in the dictionary, so you have to, that is increment the frequency of that particular item, that is a digit. For that, let's use the dictionary, that is frequency of item, and yeah, so you have to increment the, that is a frequency, that is frequency of item, that is a key plus equals to 1. So this will increment the dictionary value. So else, so let's use else, and if the item is new to the frequency, that is dictionary, so let's assign 1 to 1 as its value. So let's use frequency of item and let's assign 1 to it. So once the for loop completes, so you will be having key value pairs. So yeah, so we have to print the key value pairs. So let's use for key and value in, that is frequency dot items. So this will give us the frequency of each and every digit. So key will be the digit and value will be the frequency of occurrences of that digit. So let's use print statement and let's use a formatting, that is digit. Let's give flower braces. In the flower braces, let's give key. Let's give occurs value times. Yeah, so this is the complete program to find the frequency of each digit in a given integer. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a number 121212. Let's give enter. So you can see digit 2 occurs 3 times and digit 1 occurs 3 times again. So we can see the count is, that is length of digit is 6, and each and every, that is a 1 occurs 3 times and 2 occurs 3 times. So now let's run it again. So let's give 1 2 3 4 5. and again 5. So you can see digit 5 occurs 2 times, digit 4 occurs 1 time, digit 3 occurs 1 time, and digit 2 and digit 1 occurs 1 time. So this is time. Yeah. Yeah, so this is a complete program to find the frequency of each digit. I'll give this code in the description. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.